All effort I put on building Tim Ferriss' 4-hour work week style online business was like chasing a shadow until I found this missing puzzle, and I want to share this with you. My background has been in the oil and gas sector. I was there for 25 years and I was earning a great salary. But I was sacrificing my personal life, working myself to death 70 to 80 hours every single week to earn that money. I imagine what my life would be like if I continue along this path for another 25 years. This presented a scary future to me, and the thought of waking up every single day and dress up to build someone else's dream was killing me inside. On the outside, I was looking happy and successful while being miserable and frustrated in the inside. Maybe you can relate. I lost the hope of getting out of the corporate rat race, and even though the online business concept of Tim Ferriss' book sounded a great idea, to me this was an illusion. I was scared of what people would think or say if they saw me going for it, and I fell. All this got me frozen in my little world. Then I discovered the missing puzzle that brought the 4-hour work week style online business to life. That missing puzzle was an online education company that has been coaching and supporting people for more than 10 years. They partnered with LinkedIn Learning, the best global learning platform with over 10,000 virtual courses. They provide world-class education on building businesses with tons of tools to address all the needs and requirements. When I discovered this for the first time, I said to myself, it must cost a fortune, and I'm glad I didn't let that stop me. As I later realized, they train and give people good foundation to build their online business and create freedom in their life. They are so great at what they do, and my company, Nano Digital Solution, has partnered with this great company as we also share a similar vision. The co-founder of this company has created a workshop video series on how to build an online business with a step-by-step guide. My entire team and I are sending you this video series free today so that you can build your business just like I did. I remember watching this video series then, being skeptical and asking myself questions. What are they trying to sell me? Do I even have the skill for building a business? And do I have time to commit to building a business full time? But watching this free training video was like a playback of how to build a 4-hour work week style online business with the right resources and a step-by-step guide. Honestly speaking, this might not be for everyone, but if you are anything like me and want to create a quality life that you and your loved one can share in, you may click the button below. This will take you to a page on my website for you to enter your name and email address. You will have a walkthrough of how to build an online business from the start with the support of the same mentor, community, and platform that transformed me from a trapped individual stuck in the corporate rat race to a business owner who is making his own decision and pursuing a lifestyle of purpose. The video series that are to be sent to your inbox is completely free. Take massive action right away, like I did, and start creating the lifestyle you want. You truly deserve it. So click the link below, enter your name and email, and I'll send you the video series myself. I hope it empowers you to make some really good changes in your own life. I'll see you inside. If not, I wish you success and abundance.